Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the color of your avatar slash robot on R.E.P.O, R.E.P.O, I don't know. I'm just going to select host game, or for instance you've joined a game and you don't know how you can change the color. What did I just say? Okay, so basically you're just going to see there's a change color button at the bottom here once you're in a lobby. Here is where you can change your color. There's white, gray, dark gray, I don't know, like salmon pink, I guess, red. There's like these cute colors. There's this one, I really like this like shade. There's purple, there's blue, so there's quite a lot of options like for your group. There's going to be also like a maximum of 6 players in each lobby. Once you're done, you're just going to select confirm, and that is it. You'll be able to see your color here as well, and you can just start the game. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.